Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. Now, we are going to start off with the second topic from unit number 6, will and would for habits and general truths. Before going through will and would, let's talk about estate verbs. Some verbs called estate, non-continuous, or estative verbs describe a state rather than an action, and they aren't usually used in continuous tenses. They are focused on thoughts and opinions, feelings and emotions, senses and perceptions, or possessions and measurements. Here is a list with a few examples. Used to and would are both used to express habitual actions in the past, things that we used to do but not anymore. Would is more formal than used to. However, would cannot be used with a stative verb since the meaning would be different. So, if we have the modal verb would plus a state verb, the meaning would be something hypothetical, and that's not what we want to achieve here. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. From a very young age, Adele would perform for her mother. Here, the verb perform is not a stative, so that gives us the freedom to say would perform or used to perform. Number 2. In my young days, I would play in a band at local clubs. Here, the same happens. We can say would play or used to play, since the verb play is not a stative. Number 3. The Beatles used to be such a popular band. Here, the verb be is indeed a stative, so that means that we cannot say would be since the meaning would be different. Now let's talk about will. You can use will to express personal habits or characteristic behavior in the present. For example, number 1. Today, superstar Rihanna will often reinvent her look with the startling new hairstyles and clothes. Number 2. When I find a song I really love, I will listen to it over and over again. And lastly, will is also used to express facts that are usually true. Number 1. True talent will always be noticed. Number 2. Water will always boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.